Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Salifu. I am the CEO of Geoinformation Services. Geoinformation Services is a consultant firm dedicated to geoinformation management and real estate agency with a team of competent professionals with diverse qualifications and experiences. The key staff of the company has in-depth knowledge in diverse disciplines, including geoinformation science, land administration, land valuation, asset management, resource management, as well as gender, community, and inclusion. Geoinformation Services is dedicated to providing educational tutorials as well as consultant services with respect to 1. Geographic information consultancies. Under the geographic information consultancies, the organization provides the following services: design and preparation of all kinds of GIS maps, that is both static and dynamic maps, creation and maintenance of spatial databases, geoinformation training and capacity building, and suitability analysis of strategic choice of business location. The second major service rendered by the organization is property portfolio management and appraisal. Under the property portfolio management and appraisal, the following services are rendered: property valuation, that is valuation of land, crops, and buildings; property brokerage and estate agency. The third major service rendered by the organization is land administration and tenure studies. Under land administration and tenure studies, the following services are rendered: due diligence audit for property acquisition and registration, land tenure audits and due diligence, property acquisition and registration. And the last part of the service rendered by the organization is the gender, community, and inclusion issues. With respect to gender, community, and inclusion, the organization advocates for the addition of gender dimensions to different facets of land policy discussions, conducting public awareness programs to relevant stakeholders through workshops, publications, and media to instigate dialogue, and fostering community participation concerning important local issues through collaborations with stakeholders, government agencies, and NGOs. If you want more information, kindly subscribe to Geoinformation Services and click on the notification bell to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. You can also contact us on +233 542 606261 or email landreality69@gmail.com.